has the power to empanel the bench under Article 165, Clause 4. Your Lordship, and whether, if she has any power of that nature, the same ought to be communicated to the members of the Republic by the Chief Justice, that is to say, Your Lordship, that the Chief Justice has delegated her powers under Article 165, Clause 4 to empanel this bench. Your Lordship, this is the background of my application, that on the 14th of October 2024, the Honorable Chief Justice did empanel this bench to hear and adjudicate over 6 matters which were consolidated with the lead file being 522. And the files that were consolidated, Your Lordships, my lady, were 522, 509, 537, 528, 525, and 546. Your Lordship, it is our humble submissions that this bench was exclusively empaneled to handle those files, and that the communication was effectively made to the parties by the Honorable Chief Justice. I am giving the background of my application, and that we are aware that subsequently other files, and the most important one is E014 of 2024, which came from Kerugoya, was equally slated for empanelment before the Chief Justice. To date, Your Lordship, there is no communication from the Office of the Chief Justice other than this morning that this file was equally empaneled and slated for hearing by this bench. Your Lordship, the other ground is this, Your Lordship, that when we appeared before you on the 16th of October, Your Lordship, we sought your indulgence, Your Lordship, to have a further mention on the 18th of October.
My Lord, I'm sorry we are constrained to interject, seek your guidance. My name is Mugomi, appearing for Professor Kubiki. Listening to my colleagues, you're making an application before this bench, complaining about wrongs supposedly made by the Chief Justice and the Deputy Chief Justice in